It is hydrangea time, and I am at the best hydrangea place. I'm at Hydrangeas Plus with Kristen. And Kristen, it is so much fun to be here right at the beginning of bloom season.
It is, yes. A lot of things are a little early, some things are a little late. Weird weather.
It is weird weather, warm and hot, and cool and rainy and everything.
Lots of rain.
Yeah.
So,
but really, things are blooming, so let's start with this one.
Yes.
I love this flower.
I know, that's a great one. That's the Paniculata white moth. Very unusual. It's never the same bloom twice.
Oh.
A lot of the other paniculatas have a cone shape. This one does its own thing, and I just think it's fun. And I love the way that it changes to chartreusey green as the bloom ages.
How pretty.
Yes.
And now, will this always stay white?
This will always stay white. It does not have the ability to go any other color other than maybe a little bit of a blush pink, but definitely green. That's what it ages to.
Very pretty. And so then you have all these colors here.
Yes, and these all can be changed with the pH of the soil, getting it low, and also adding some available aluminum, which we sell here at our store and online, and when we go to Seabrights next weekend.
All right. So really, you can change this. It's a beautiful kind of pink with a white in it, but you can change that too.
I know. I saw this one's called Miss Orry. It's one of my new ones. I saw it online. I saw a picture of it purple.
Ooh.
Yes. I think it's on my Facebook page.
Very cool.
It was very stunning. But another good point about the Miss Orry is that before it blooms, it has that gorgeous burgundy foliage, and it slowly changes back to green like a normal hydrangea, but kind of flip-flopped. Some of the hydrangeas will start off green and go burgundy red in the fall. So this one's opposite.
And so we didn't talk about sun or shade, so where can we put this Miss Orry?
So generally the mop heads and the lace caps are morning sun, afternoon shade. The paniculata types, they can take full sun.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
That is fun.
Yes.
So really, anywhere in your garden you can have hydrangeas.
That's right.
And a tall or short one?
That's a short one. It's probably a 4 foot, 4 by 4,
nice.
I think. I haven't put it in the ground, so I'm not really sure.
Okay, new
Yeah,
for you.
New.
And pretty, another lace.
I know, isn't this great? This one's Deva, because it is a diva. It's one of the proven winner varieties, the Let's Dance series. Has some ability to bloom on the new wood. We don't know exactly how much, but I love it because it's a lace cap, and I'm a little fond of those.
Okay.
But the petals are what really draws me. The petals are huge
for
a lace cap, and that's just a 1 gallon. But look how big those are, 2 inches across, did you say?
Yeah, at least. And what a big flower.
And a big flower
head.
What a show. Yes, big size of a plate. The next one's Jennifer.
Oh.
And probably one of our richest colored ones in terms of the pigments. Beautiful red. To keep them red in our acidic soil, you have to keep the pH higher or put it in a container.
Oh, that makes it easy.
Yes, then you don't have to worry about that.
Sure.
But this one is also a beautiful dark blue. I haven't gotten it all the way to blue, but I know it can go blue. Very easily changed. The next one is one of my favorites. It's called Frill Abbott. Look at how frilly that is. And again, purplish. We've done a little bit of amending to the soil. So it is a little bit more on the blue side, well, purple side. But it can go all the way to blue. It's also gorgeous as a pink.
And about height on that one?
This one's a little bit bigger. This is probably a 5 by 5. So is the Deva. And the Jennifer, I'm thinking, is maybe in the 4 to 5 foot range too.
It's a little bit back of the garden a little bit?
Yep, so not so little. There's not a lot of real tiny hydrangeas yet. Some of them, I think the tallest ones, or the smallest ones that we have are maybe 3 feet.
But that's really nice.
Yes, perfect size for a container too.
Definitely. And that is really striking.
I know, this is part of the Serrata family, which are usually the earliest to bloom for the hydrangeas, usually in bloom by now. This one's called Tierra, and the foliage, it's funny because the foliage it's not usually this red this early, but I think with the cool weather, it thinks it's fall. Oh, no. So it's doing its thing already. Again, blue or pink or purple, depending on the pH of the soil, but easily changed to blue.
And what about the size on that one?
Size is probably a 4 by 4.
But you know, it's interesting. Every year is different. I mean, people get so pigeonholed about it's supposed to happen this time of year, and we just go with it. Yeah. Really.
Exactly.
And going with it, you're going to be all over the place today. And
yes, we're going to split duties, and the kids will be at Hydrangeas Plus in Aurora, and I will be at Seabright Gardens in Salem.
Oh, how fun!
Yes. So we're there in Salem from 9 to 3, and then we're open in Aurora from 10 till 3.
That is nice. And then where can we get all that information?
So go to our website. We have a schedule of events, so we'll be open a few more weeks here, and probably the last day will be our July 10th and 11th sale.
Okay.
And on the website there's a schedule of events on the bottom left-hand side, and I've got lots of hints and tips about
Nice.
colors and pruning under our helpful tips. Help tips. I can't remember the name. It is on there too.
It's on there. But you know, we have so many past segments with Kristen talking about when to prune, how to prune. They're wonderful, hands-on, and you can always go to the archive on the Garden Time website and see that, and you get to see it in, you know, really close-ups. I mean, we have really great videos for that too. So really, you have to have hydrangeas in your garden that look at the beautiful flowers and really come out and see Kristen either at Seabright or at Hydrangeas Plus today. Thanks so much, Kristen.
Thanks for coming.